Good morning, students. I, Neeraj Singh, is here to teach you mathematics for class 9th. Students, in this video, you will learn about decimal presentation of rational numbers and conversion of a decimal number into rational number. Students, the decimal representation of rational number, the first is terminating decimal. Every rational number can be expressed as a decimal number which has limited number of digits after decimal points. For example, let us suppose we have a rational number 3 upon 4. Here numerator is 3 and denominator is 4. When we divide the numerator by denominator, on solving we get 3 upon 4 is equal to 0.75. The decimal expansion of 3 upon 4 terminates after 2 points of decimal. Next is non-terminating repeating decimal. A non-terminating decimal in which a digit or a group of digits is repeated continuously is called recurring decimal. For example, 2 upon 9. When we divide 2 by 9, then we get in the quotient section 0.222 so on. Means 2 repeated continuously infinite time. So 2 upon 9 is equal to 0.2222 so on. Here 0.222 is the decimal representation of the given rational number. The digit 2 is repeating again and again. We can express as 0.2 bar. Bar denotes that 2 repeated several times. Next, students, conversion of a decimal number into rational number. Here we discuss 3 cases. The first case is case of terminating decimal. We take an example to understand this thing. Convert the given decimal number into rational number. We have a decimal number 0.175. Solution of this question: we have given a decimal number 0.175. We can write 0.175 is equal to 175 upon 1000. Here in the numerator section 175 and in the denominator section 1000. We simplify 175 upon 1000, we get 7 upon 40. Means when we convert 0.175 into rational form, then we will get 7 upon 40. The second case is case of non-terminating repeating decimal. We take an example. For example, convert 0.232323 so on in the form of m by n. The solution of this question: let us suppose 0.232323 is equal to x. This is the equation number 1. Since there are 2 repeating digits after the decimal point, so we multiply both sides of equation number 1 by 100. Then we get 100x is equal to 23.232323. This is the equation number 2. Now we subtract the equation number 1 from the equation number 2. We get 100x minus x is equal to 23.232323 dot 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 minus 0.232323 dot dot dot. When we subtract x from 100x, then we get 99x is equal to 23. Therefore, x is equal to 23 upon 99. It means the conversion of 0 decimal 232323 dot 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 into rational form, this is equal to 23 upon 99. Next case, here we discussed that case of mixed recurring decimal. For example, 0 decimal 235 bar, the bar placed on 35 in the form of m upon n. Here we have to understand about mixed recurring decimal. What is mixed recurring decimal? A decimal number in which at least one digit after the decimal point is not repeated and other are repeated. That is the mixed recurring decimal. For example, 0.42 bar, 0.485, that bar placed on 85, and 0 decimal 235 bar placed on 35. Now the solution of the question. Let us write x is equal to 0.235 bar placed on 35. Multiply both sides by 10. Then we get 10x is equal to 2.35 bar placed on 35. As we see in the previous question, 0.35 bar can be written 35 upon 99. So 10x is equal to 2 plus 35 upon 99. Therefore, 10x is equal to 2 into 99 plus 35 upon 99 on solving. That is equal to 10x is equal to 198 plus 35 upon 99, which is equal to 233 upon 99. This is the value of 10x. So, the value of x is equal to 233 upon 990. Thus, 0.235 bar placed on 35 is equal to 233 upon 990. Students, this was all about the today's topic. Thank you for watching.